Hello everyone, welcome to AR Quiz. In this video, we have a fun and easy human body quiz for you. You will see simple questions with 4 options and you have to choose the correct one. Watch till the end and comments how many answers you got right. Let's start the quiz. First question. Which organ pumps blood in the body? Option A brain, option B heart, option C lungs, option D kidney. The correct answer is option B, heart. Next question. Which organ controls the whole body? Option A brain, option B stomach, option C heart, option D kidney. The correct answer is option A, brain. Which part of the body protects the heart and lungs? A. Skull, B. Backbone, option C. Ribcage, D. Arms. Correct answer is option C. Ribcage. Which organ cleans our blood? Option A. Heart, option B. Kidney, option C. Liver, option D. Lungs. The correct answer is option B, kidney. Which part of the body protects the brain? Option A, chest, option B, backbone, option C, skull, option D, hairs. The correct answer is C, skull. Which organ helps to digest food? Option A, stomach, option B, lungs, option C, liver, option D, brain. The correct answer is A, stomach. Which part of the body helps us to taste food? Option A, teeth, option B, nose, option C, lips, option D, tongue. The correct answer is D, tongue. Next question. Which organ helps us to breathe? A, heart, B, lungs, C, brain, D, liver. Correct answer is B, lungs. Which one is the largest organ in the human body? A, heart, B, lungs, C, skin, D, liver. Correct answer is C, skin. Next question. Which one is the largest bone in the human body? A, femur, B, skull, C, ribs, D, backbone. The correct answer is A, femur. Next question. Which one is the smallest bone in the human body? A, skull, B, stapes, C, ribs, D, femur. Correct answer is option B, stapes. Next question. What is the largest internal organ of human body? A, liver, B, heart, C, lungs, D, stomach. The correct answer is option A, liver. Next, which body part never stops growing? A, eyes, B, nose, C, hands, D, legs. Correct answer is option B, nose. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quiz and learned something new, please like the video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to AR Quiz for more fun and educational quizzes.